Hello, my favorite students. This is Miss Todd. Today is the 20th of April. It is a Monday, and I just want to go over what you're going to have to do this week. Last week you did Townsend, and as I told you, the Townsend press assignments have to be done by the time I grade them, because once I grade them and I update the grade, you can't get back into that system, so they have to be done. I gave you until Friday at midnight to do it. So if you hadn't done it, then unfortunately you did not get a grade for it. There's no way for me to go back in and open it back up. So if you did not get it done, you need to email me. Also, if on Townsend Press you still are having trouble logging in because you're not following the directions in the two videos that I've put or posted on Google Classroom, um, just want to show you quickly. All of the videos for our class uh, are here located in virtual videos. So this one on April 14th. Okay, let's just go back a little bit. Okay. Here on March 31st, there was a video that I placed here. It showed you how to log into Townsend Press. It showed you how to do all of the assignments here. So dating back to March 31st, that was your first video showing you how to get into Townsend Press. Not only was there video, but it did explain to you how to log in. And I also sent you an email showing you how to log in. But now, because some of you are not following the directions, you're not using your student email address, or if you are using your student email address, you're not using just your password, which is your student number without any letters. This video will show you how to get in. You just click on the video there. And then also this video, this is a live lesson that I did with each class. So not only does period 1 have it, but all periods have these two videos so that you can see how to log into Townsend Press correctly. If you're not logging in correctly, you're creating an account, and I can't grade your work in that account because I don't have access to it. Meaning that when you create your own account, putting in your own information, I can't go into that account because I've already created one for you, and that's the only account that is visible to me. I can't grade anything else. So back to what I really wanted to show you, which was this week's work. So whether you're in sixth grade, which is my first, second, and fifth period classes, which are my first, second, and fifth period classes, you have an assignment in Khan Academy. That's the only thing you have to do this week. So everyone is already set up based upon your Google Classroom email address or your Google student email address. You already have a Khan Academy class with me, okay? So first period has the link. Second period has the link for Khan Academy. Fifth period, that's all of my sixth grade. You all have it. And all my seventh and eighth graders, you all have the link to Khan Academy. Third, fourth, and eighth period, which are my sixth, seventh, and eighth graders, you all here, if you go to Google Classroom, you all have the link to Khan Academy. So let's just go to classwork. It's in your stream because that's how Google Classroom is letting you know what's due for the week or for whatever day your teacher has it due. But if you go to classwork, I have it so that you can see virtual videos. Everything is cataloged. It's all in categories for you. So here are virtual videos, and then here's virtual classwork or homework for the week. So if you look here, this is where your assignment is for this week. It says due April 24th at 3:30 p.m. And then over here is your attendance, okay? So let's just go here, Khan Academy. It says, log into khanacademy.org. I have provided you with the link, should say link, but it says like, for the website, okay? Click on the link and log in with your Google address. You have been entered into my class based upon your class period. Please make sure to take your time with the assignments and do your best using what you have read to answer the questions. So what does that mean? It means that you guys have been doing the assignments on Townsend and on Common Lit, but you really have not been reading, and you really have not been using the strategies that you're forced to use when I'm in class with you. And that's a problem because you're not doing well on the assignments. So this week, I want you to focus on taking a lot of time to do these assignments. When I go into your Townsend Press assignments and I look at how long you've taken to answer the questions, some of you have answered the questions in 15 seconds. Some of you have answered it in 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You absolutely cannot answer those questions in 2 and 5 minutes. You have to be using the strategies, please. Because if you don't, even though you turned in your work and it's turned in, it doesn't make a difference if you're failing. So you've got to do the work. Okay, so what I want you to do when you visit your work here for the week, you click on Khan Academy, the link, and it'll take you to this, okay? So you're not going to donate any money. You're not going to sign up. You're going to actually just log in, okay? At the top, it says log in. And then once it stops spinning, it's going to ask you if you want to sign in with Google, with Facebook. No, don't sign in with Facebook. Sign in with your Google email address, not your mom's Google email address, but actually it's going to bring up, if there's a couple of people using your computer, it's going to bring up a couple of different things here. If you're signed into the school dashboard, you're going to be able to sign in as a student, okay? So use your student sign-in information to sign in. So I've clicked on this student number so that I can sign in. And now it's redirecting me because I'm using my student email address for the district. So just make sure that you're logged into the district so that you can pull that email address so you can sign in, okay? And when you do sign in, it's going to take you to it'll show you your student number, and then it'll show you your assignments here. So whatever's active, these are your assignments that you have to do. Whatever's in the past will be there. But if you're using Khan Academy with some of your other teachers, you pretty much know how to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the first assignment, and it will bring up either whether there's a video for it or whatever there is, it'll bring it up. And you play the video. Please watch the video for the assignment so that you can okay, so make sure you watch the video for the assignment so that you can complete the assignment. There's a lot of great tips and tricks in here for what I've picked this week, which is inferencing and key details for you all to do, okay? When you're done with that assignment, you can go on to the next one, okay? And this is where you're going to read and answer questions. So, how to take a great selfie with your grandma. So you're going to read, and then answer the questions. Once you answer the question, it will allow you to move on to the next, okay? So that's what this assignment will look like. That is actually all you have to do this week. I'm keeping it simple this week because I want you really to try to get the best grade possible for this week, because many of you have been handing in your assignments and just clicking on anything and thinking that that's going to get you where you need to go, and it's not. The last thing I want you to do is please make sure, I know that the attendance here says daily attendance by 3:25, but that's the time I have to put in the attendance. So when you get to your attendance, what I really would like you to do is please make sure you sign in by 2:00 p.m. so that I can put the attendance in but before 3 o'clock so that you can be marked as here. So the 3 things you have to do this week: you have to watch this week's virtual video when I'm finished recording it, because I'm recording it now. I'm going to post it here, and it's going to say how to log into Khan Academy. You have to do the Khan Academy assignment, and you also have to do your attendance. That's all you have for me this week. And if you have any questions, I want you to get to me before Wednesday, because if you wait till Friday to do this assignment, then unfortunately, it's going to be too late, okay? Because it's a lot. There's some to do. So to end this video, just to make sure that you've watched it to the end, the question is, actually, my favorite color is pink. That's the statement that I'm giving you, just to make sure that you watched till the end of the video. So you can, when you're finished with your Khan Academy work, you can send me an email telling me my favorite color to let me know that you have watched the video to the end. Okay, I will speak with you soon. And if I have any other instructions this week, I will send them midweek to you by email. Okay, have a great week. I'll speak with you soon.